Hi guys, welcome to this system. It's Ctrl-T, ISO, ArcoNet, and then you type XD or XDW. I've installed everything there is to install on this machine. So I went into ArcoNet, I told them I want to have Xmonad, and then I selected everything, every single package, audio, video, network, utilities, anything, right, except the desktops. So with that done, why do I do that? From time to time, well, once a month, I'll check, because there are two streams in our system. This is our system. Let's see, I just made a new software. Voila, let's get it in. There are two things. There is the AOR and there is Arch and Arco. And Arch and Arco is sudo pacman -s. AOR is Yay, Paru, Picauer, and others. From time to time, Arch decides two streams. One stream is they want to get rid of a package from the ArcoLinux repos, and the ArcoLinux repos are these lines. They want to get rid of a certain package, and it moves to the AOR. Suddenly, we can't do sudo pacman -s, and yours truly has to build a package from the AOR and put it on the repo. Otherwise, you can't do it. You can't install it. Right? So that's one move. Arch deciding, getting rid of a certain application and moving it to AOR. I just have to smell that, right? Discover that. And the other thing is a package that is on the AOR that moves to the ArcoLinux. So either it's out of the ArcoLinux or it's in the ArcoLinux repos. And both of these streams have to look and investigate and keep track of it. So once in a while, once in a month, right, I'll just install all the packages. And that's basically this ISO. These are all the packages you can install. Battle of Wasnot, Bitwarden, Bleachbeat. I mean, let's just scroll through them. You can have a screen freeze there in YouTube. Just pause. This is everything installed. I wouldn't recommend this, but it's a one-time thing. You can have a look at all the apps and then decide which apps you like, right? It goes on and on and on. You just freeze YouTube. Everything is included, games as well. Almost at the end, voila, okay? So what I do then, and that's interesting for you, from time to time users will say, Eric, I've selected something in Calamares and it was not installed. There are two things. There is the lcalamares, which is the log for Calamares, and it looks like this. You can go through it, page down, page down, page down, page down. This is okay, was not really my thing, so I kept it, but I made a new one, scal. Scal is saying open it with Sublime Text. So all these things are aliases. You have a look. If you're new, we are probably the distro that has the most aliases, and it's just for convenience sake. So otherwise I have to type Sublime and then the pathway to Calamares. Now I just say scal, boom. So we're gonna talk about the output file. It's the same file that you just saw, right? var log calamares log. And what I do then, when I install everything, and this, everybody can do this, right? After clean installation, you have the question, I did select application X, why was it not installed? There's always a reason, and pacman is the reason, right? Pacman says no can do. What do? Control find, exit, space, code, colon, space, 1. Those are the ones you need. Let's go at the beginning of the line here. So that's where we start. That's the version. Find. Plymouth, we don't have Plymouth, so this is okay. This is just all right, right? You have to know a little bit about Calamares. And here is exit code 1, the first one. Qtox. In this, I have already changed everything right now. So this is my second attempt for the video. So yeah, everything is okay, software is okay, and Calamares configuration is okay by now. So I've learned that Qtox does not exist anymore. So delete. So you can't install it anymore on Arch. Fine. And then you go find. This one needed actually an application that is a dependency that we did not have. So suddenly there is a extra dependency that normally you build from the AUR that's now requested and not found. So hence Pacman says no can do. And here we have Hypnotics. Frustration software hasn't been working for quite a while. It's coming from Linux Mint. If you like it, you love it, install Linux Mint. All right. And Quantum Qt5 Git and Qt5 Git are out. I've decided to remove those. It just complicates and gives frustration to our users and a waste of time. So they're not selectable. If you want to install it, sure, as Yay or Paru or Picaur, you can install them, but well, just use the Quantum package. Find. SteamBuddy had a package that we needed to build. I think that's a new package as well. So cannot resolve. It doesn't find it. So we've built it. So that's basically what we do. There's a package on the AOR. It needs it, but we can't use it. And in Calamares, I have to build it for you guys. It's gonna put it on the repos, and then Pacman says, "Oh, here it is," right? And they can install the dependency for SteamBuddy. And then a little bit further down the road, that is still SteamBuddy. Steam Tweaks also needs it, right? Dependency for Steam Tweaks. So voila, two packages have the dependency now. So if you install it, you'll not have a problem because of the extra package I have added just 5 minutes ago to the repo. So this is something interesting. It's already recorded in the past. Font Manager Git, we've removed it, frustration software, but Font Manager is there. So the Git version is out. Too much issues with it, can't build it, etc., etc. So get rid of it, and then just the Font Manager is there. Octopi Notifier Qt5, I kept it in. It's up to the guys to fix this, right? This one conflicts with Octopi. I'm certain at some point in time, this is version 16, that this guy, whoever he is going to update his package also to 16, so it does not conflict. So I keep it in, hoping everything will be updated at some point in time. It's almost holiday for people, so maybe he'll have time then. Right, so this one just stays in, the conflict stays. It's not my conflict, it's a Pacman conflict a choice, right? Caffeine is out, has been a frustration package in the sense that it works, it doesn't work, users are frustrated, and voila. Choice is very simple. If users always keep asking questions, then it's not okay. The software is not stable enough. So all the caffeine stuff is out, NG as well. And now I have Tux Boot. We can't build it anymore. It's out. Frustration software. Find Tux Boot Git as well. And this is just okay. B9. If you know what you're doing, this is okay. Rakut and Witch Plymouth and so on. But the point of the video is there's a lot of information, right? If after a clean install of the new ISO of July and all the ISOs in the past, there is a Calamares configuration log. You can figure out why things are not working and help me, of course, and tell, hey Eric, Qtox doesn't exist anymore. You can remove it, or this package change name and whatever thing there is to change. I can always help. But here is information, and Pacman tells you what's going on. Pacman will say, hey, this conflicts with that, or I can't find this and can't find that. Here's the file. So maybe end with this here. If you put your cursor on it, nah, it doesn't show you. It's var log calamares log. Ah, there he is. Var log calamares log, right? That's the pathway. There's the file. You can open it with any other editor and have a look. What's going on? What happened in the installation or during the installation? All right. Cheers.